So I'm in the beautiful community of Ridgeville today, and I am visiting with Shane Ford from Center Park Homes and their latest community called Timothy Lakes. And if you've ever been through Ridgeville, you will probably recognize their front lake. It is memorable. They have several floor plans. These two, this one right here is the Mercer. It is a one-story ranch that can be a two-story ranch by adding an additional 600 square feet up top. And this beautiful model right here is called the Putnam. It starts out at 2,200 square feet, and I believe it can go up to 3,191 square feet. And just so you know, in this community, you can get side load garages and a third car garage, all because the minimum lot size, get this, is a third acre. The minimum lot size is a third acre. Let's go check it out. These are not done, so get ready. So I think most everybody would be like, oh my gosh, look at that view. But I think my men folk or my crafty women would be like, oh my gosh, look at that third car garage. This is a side load view of that Mercer with its attached third car garage. It has a pedestrian door right there. And just to point something out extra about it, this garage is standard, or is standardly a word? Standardly deeper, which will give you room for a wonderful workbench, because look at how much they're off this wall. Okay, so we're going into the master suite, which again, this is a one-story ranch, 2,150 square feet, and this room is, I believe he said 17 or 18 square feet. And if you had a window here yet, you would see that beautiful lake behind you. I mean, this house is amazing. I don't have any power in here yet, but this is a 5-foot shower, so it might get a little dark in this bathroom. My water closet, my dual sink vanities are going to go in there. All of my ceilings are 9 foot. I have an enormous linen, and then I really think this is a good size master closet. Recessed lighting is going to be in there. I mean, just fantastic. Let's take a look outside. This is me standing on the porch looking out at my gorgeous lake. You can put non-motorized boats out there. There's wildlife out there, lots of fish. Holy cow. And this is just phase 1 out here in Timothy Lakes. They have not quite opened up all of the lakefront properties, so there'll be some to come, but there's still one left. It could have your name written all over it. Okay, so I'm at Timothy Lakes with Center Park Homes listing agent Shane Ford, and this is the back of one of their ranch styles. It could be a 2-story. In this case, it's only 1 story. How many square foot is here?
This is 2,150 square feet. This home can be built up to 3,055 square feet. This is our Mercer floor plan.
And what's our base price on this beautiful one? $272,400 for just base price, which is amazing. But look at this view. This is the showstopper right here. This lot premium right here was only $30,000. Now I know you're like, only, Kelly, come on. But look at that. This is what you're looking at.
Show them this backyard.
It's 1/3 of an acre, y'all. It goes on and on. My neighbors are not on top of me. It is the traditional, the real size traditional neighborhood lot. It is gorgeous. It is big. It's not done. And unfortunately, it's not yours. But there is one lot space left. Could be yours. So that's my tour of Center Park Homes, this beautiful new community of Timothy Lakes, which is in the sweet little town of Ridgeville, just 10 minutes up the road from Somerville. It is only minutes from I-26. So boom, you're zipping back down to Charleston, North Charleston, Mount Pleasant, the beach. You're everywhere in a matter of minutes. Please don't discount this community. It has got a lot going for it. Not to mention, Center Park Homes is got the most options I have seen from a builder in a while. Just their level 2 cabinets. You saw 14 options. Nobody's doing that level 2. That's crazy. They're throwing in at least a minimum of 1/3 acre, 9-foot ceilings, 5-foot showers, gorgeous laminate hardwood floors. I mean, the options are endless. Even your windows, you can pick any color trim work on your windows, which nobody's doing that. This is crazy. It's like building a custom built home. And here's one of my favorite options. Check these gorgeous bad boys out. Look at the cedar posts. Nobody's doing cedar. What a gorgeous option on the front of a house. I mean, and you're not breaking the bank to get those. I'm not even going to tell you right here what they are, but I'm telling you, if you call me, I'll let you know, because they're stupid affordable. Crazy. For an upgrade, yeah, it's a smidgen, and it's so worth it, because look what an impact. Those are beautiful. No one's doing that. All right, hope you like the tour.